So, tell me the make and model of your bike.
This is a 2016 R1S.
How long have you been riding?
Total, probably about 12 years.
What is this bike number 1, 2, 3, 4 for you?
Bike number 3.
Bike number 3.
Yes.
Is this the only bike you have right now?
Yes.
Why Yamaha R1? Not that it's not a very good bike, but why did you choose with Yamaha versus a Honda or something like that?
So I had a Kawasaki, and not to bash them, but it kind of failed kind of early. For
Oh, really?
bike.
Okay.
Yeah. So I went with
You
Yamaha.
had better luck with this brand?
Yeah,
With the
Yamaha. I had
Okay.
an R6, and I got hit off of it.
Okay.
And, even though I got hit off of it, it was still running, still ready to go.
Okay.
That bike needed fuel filters and everything, and I took road trips with it.
So it's the reliability, the looks, the style, it fits you. That's what was the thing,
Yeah,
basically?
I had the R6 2007.
Okay.
2007 R6. When I found out about the 2016s, I went ahead and I looked at a 2016, so I got a 2016 R6, and I just felt like it didn't have enough power. So I went and got an R1.
You can't go wrong with the power on the R1.
Yeah.
So what's your riding style?
I ride fast.
Highway, side roads, what do you like most?
I like them all.
Yeah.
I'm a windy road type of guy.
Oh, you are? So,
Yeah.
okay. Do you also go to track with the bike?
No.
No. Are you planning to keep this bike? Are you planning to change? Do you have anything else in mind?
Well, if
For
you
the
don't know,
future.
yeah, if you don't know, Yamaha is doing away with the R1s.
Yes.
So I plan to keep it.
You plan to keep it?
Yeah.
Alright. So this, you might add later, another bike or so later in the future,
Maybe so.
something, maybe so.
Yeah.
But otherwise, you're happy.
Yeah.
How many miles did you have when you got the bike?
It had 7,000 miles on it when I got it.
When you got, and how many miles have you put on it?
15,000.
Oh, 15,000.
Yeah.
Wow, good. So you've been riding a lot, huh?
Yeah, I only had it for 2 years.
Good, good, good.
Yeah,
It's a
right.
beautiful bike. Have you done any mods to the bike
No,
since you got it?
Everything on it, I got it when it came.
Yeah, I see the Austin Racing. It was like that when you got it. So no mod, no changes. Everything is where you got it from. You said God bless him. He or she already had done all the work.
Yeah,
for you.
he got it flash tuned and everything. So
Good.
just hopping and riding.
Good. I like the watch. Very styling. Woo.
Appreciate it.
You know, no problem. Nice meeting you, sir. Thank you for your time.
No problem.
Thank you.